Click on the link below to get price. The Brother PE545 4" embroidery machine with Accessories Kit and Deluxe is a versatile tool designed for both novice and experienced crafters. This compact embroidery machine stands out with its combination of user-friendly features and an array of accessories, making it suitable for a variety of embroidery projects. At first glance, the Brother PE545 presents a sleek and modern design. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably in smaller workspaces, providing convenience without sacrificing functionality. The machine boasts a generous 4" by 4" embroidery area, which is adequate for small to medium-sized designs. This feature allows users to explore their creativity while working on personalized projects such as monograms, patches, or decorative embellishments for garments. One of the notable attributes of the PE545 is its built-in color touchscreen display. This intuitive interface facilitates navigation through the machine's various functions and options. Users can easily select from a range of built-in designs or customize their own patterns, making this machine adaptable for a wide array of embroidery styles. The machine includes 80 built-in designs and 9 fonts, providing a solid foundation for personalization. In addition to the touch display, the PE545 features a USB port, enabling users to import additional designs from their computers. This expands the possibilities for creativity, as crafters can access a broader library of embroidery patterns. Furthermore, the machine supports various thread colors and types, ensuring flexibility in project execution. For those who may be new to embroidery, the included accessories kit is particularly beneficial. It typically contains essential items such as embroidery hoops, stabilizers, and a set of quality needles, which assist users in getting started right away. The extensive manual and instructional materials included with the machine further support beginners, guiding them through the setup and operation processes. When using the Brother PE545, many users find that it operates smoothly and quietly, a characteristic that enhances the crafting experience. The machine is designed for ease of use, with automated features like thread cutting and needle threading that streamline the workflow, allowing users to focus more on their creative endeavors. In conclusion, the Brother PE545 4" by 4" embroidery machine with Accessories Kit and Deluxe offers a well-rounded package for those interested in embroidery. Its thoughtful design, user-friendly features, and sufficient accessories create an approachable experience for both beginners and seasoned embroiderers alike. This machine stands as a reliable companion for anyone looking to explore the art of embroidery.